So I never did any formal study of kitchen design, but just really got interested in the modern look, the modern feel, and just sort of over the years it just developed and grew, and just learned by looking at different shows, various companies, and just then sort of forging our own look and feel as time went on. So the way that we basically approach kitchen design is that we first of all assess the space and need to ensure that it's a functional space. That really means is that we consider where the client will be cooking, where they'll be prepping, sort of various storage, other activities that may be going on in the kitchen space. And so that's sort of that gives us the foundation of a blue line kitchen. Once we have established that, then it's really a focus on the textures and materials. So I'd say my favorite materials to use in a blue line kitchen is definitely materials that have a touch element. So what I mean by that is that when you're actually walking around the kitchen and you're opening a door or you're running your hand on a counter, just in your normal day-to-day use, that there's actually a texture involved with the material. So I think for us the most important consideration is definitely client works within the space, so we need to ensure that there's a functional space and a relational space. So sort of we call it relational living, where the kitchen today, the modern home, is used by various users, and so it's not just the cook, there's various people interacting in the kitchen and often at the same time. And so for us it's critical that we ensure that everyone who's going to be using the kitchen able to relate in a very comfortable and easy way. Then after that, it's got to be a space that's interesting, that adds to the home, that even forms an anchor point for the rest of the home.